Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make beef cube steak full guide. Start by flattening the steak evenly and seasoning generously on both sides. Heat a heavy skillet until very hot and add oil to shimmer. Cook steaks 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium, letting them rest before serving. I'll walk you through breading, pan technique, and simple sauce options to finish for great weeknight meals. Seasoning and tenderizing are key before cooking cube steak. Pound meat evenly to 1/4 inch and season with salt and pepper. Dredge in flour, egg wash, then panko or flour for a crisp coating. Use medium-high heat and a mix of butter and oil to prevent burning. Flip only once for a good crust and drain on paper towels briefly before serving. Classic peppercorn or mushroom gravy elevates cube steak with minimal effort. After removing steaks, sauté mushrooms and onions, deglaze with stock, then whisk in cream or butter to finish. Simmer until thickened and return steaks to warm through. Pair with steamed vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a crisp salad to balance richness. I'll share timing cues and plating tips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.